A woman crossing 23rd Street in Manhattan is hit by a Mack truck, suffers a massive concussion, fractures, and now brings a lawsuit against the Mack truck and the construction company and the driver that hit her. Would you like to learn what happened when the driver never showed up for his deposition? Come join me as I share with you this remarkable information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a personal injury accident attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. So here's what happened. This woman was on her way to work. She was standing at the corner of 23rd Street waiting for the light to change. It's about 6:30 in the morning, and now the light changes. She begins to walk across the street. It's still dark outside, light rain coming down. Next thing she knows, she turns and she sees this massive Mack truck with bright headlights coming right to her. The next thing she knows, she wakes up in the emergency room at Bellevue Hospital where they're cutting off her clothes. And she can't figure out why she's there. She's told by the nurses and the doctors she was just hit by a Mack truck. And now she ultimately brings a lawsuit for carelessness against the driver of the truck as well as the owner of the truck and the construction company. She winds up giving testimony, pretrial testimony, as part of the litigation process. After she was done with her question and answer session, I had an opportunity to then question the driver of the Mack truck. The problem was the driver took off, never to be found again. He could not be located, and no matter what we did, we couldn't locate him. The defense kept coming back to us saying, Mr. Oginski, we can't find this driver anywhere. We sent investigators out to look for him. He's nowhere to be found. We think he took off. Great. So now we have a number of options. So here's what we did. We actually went into court and asked the court to give us an order giving us judgment in our favor. Why? Because the defense could not defend this case. You don't want to know why not? Because the witness, the person who caused this accident, could not be found. And because they could not produce him in order to defend this case, there was absolutely no defense that they could raise that would justifiably show that they had a reason why they went through the intersection and caused this particular injury. After lengthy litigation on this key issue, the court finally gave us an order that said, you're absolutely right. If the defense cannot produce this witness, they have absolutely no defense and you win on liability. And so now the only issue to be decided is how much to award this particular woman as a result of the injuries caused by their carelessness. Now, why do I share this information with you? I share it with you because there are instances where the defense cannot produce their witnesses for whatever reason. Maybe somebody has died, maybe there's nobody else available, maybe the person took off and is afraid to participate in the litigation. And now, can you still go forward? The answer is yes, you can. You know, in all likelihood, you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own particular accident. Well, if your accident happened here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, @oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.